Hello and welcome to the Simvest.com stock trading simulation. I'm going to teach you how to use the website and you'll learn how to trade stock online. Simvest.com uses real market data, which is delayed 15 to 20 minutes, but you receive 100,000 virtual dollars to invest in stocks trading in North America, including the NASDAQ, the AMEX, NYSE, the OTC Bulletin Board, and in Canada you can trade the TSX Venture and TSX stocks. Right on the front page here you'll notice that there's a leaderboard. These are the top 25 players that are currently leading the way, and in order for you to play you're going to have to register. So up in the top left corner here you can click register, fill out the fields that are required that are indicated with the red asterisks here, and choose a password down here, click register. Once you've registered, you're going to receive an email confirmation with a serial code that will allow you to activate your account. So I already have an account here. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And once you've logged in, you'll see that you have a portfolio here. Tells you how much stock you've bought. I've currently purchased 2 different stocks, including Microsoft here. I've got $64,000 cash remaining. I've got $35,000 in change in equity, and my total is $100,294, so I'm up $294 in change. You can always look at your history of trades, all the ones you bought and sold, and you can get a stock quote. Here you can enter in the stock symbol. Like for example, I'll put in the Microsoft stock symbol, MSFT. You hit go and you'll get a recent stock quote here, like a 15-minute delayed one, and a stock chart normally appears here. There it is. If you don't know the stock symbol, you can use the symbol lookup to the right here, and you can just type in the name of the company, like Google. Hit go, and then here's the Google stock symbol right here, Goog. And then you click here to get a stock quote and chart. When you're logged in, you can also click down here to immediately purchase that stock. So if I want to buy Google and put the symbol in for me, I'm going to buy 100 shares, and I hit buy. It tells me that I'm placing an order of 100 shares for a total of $618 per share. So the total value of this trade is going to be $61,000. That's pretty much all the money I have. And I hit OK to confirm. Now if I go back to my portfolio, you'll see I've got 100 shares of Google in here. You can look up company news by sticking in the stock symbol here. You can search for other players online. You can instant message other players that are currently online, or block them in case you don't want them to contact you anymore. Another interesting feature here is the tournaments. So these ones that have the lock beside it are all private tournaments that other players have created and are competing in as groups. You can create your own, give your tournament a name, choose a password for it if you want to keep it private, or leave it blank if you want the public to be able to access it, and then you can share that password with your friends. If you're looking for stocks to invest in, a good place to start is the market movers down here on the left. During market hours you can click this and it'll show you all the leaders and losers, and you can buy and sell those stocks if you're just getting started and you're having difficulties finding stuff to invest in. There's a glossary of terms here outlining a lot of the common terminology used within the stock market. You can list all the stocks in our database. There's about 22,000 of them or so, and you can just work your way through them. In addition, there's a manual here that basically describes in words and images about what I'm telling you about right now. You can also use the quick trade to the right here. You put in the stock symbol, the quantity, it'll automatically jump to the buy side. If you go back to your portfolio and you want to sell a stock, you pick the one here. I want to sell some Microsoft here. I hit sell. I don't want to sell it all. I just want to sell 200 shares at the current market price, so it's trading at $25.59 today, so I'm going to sell that, confirm that. So basically I just made $51. In addition to the leaders here and whatnot, as you make more money, you get these little icons that increase. Basically when you hit $200,000 or like double your money, you'll get a little thumbs up. You get little coins and medals and fire, and eventually you'll get up to get yourself a cup if you generate enough profit. So that's Simvest.com in a nutshell. Feel free to contact us through the feedback. We'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks.